Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing my productive weekend routine. Now I certainly enjoy the weekend, and these things do not take all day on Saturday and all day on Sunday. I am just sharing a few things that I do on the weekend that really help me prepare for the week ahead. They don't take very long, but they make a big difference. So it is Saturday, and you can see here I am changing our sheets. I do this every Saturday. It's a habit, and that way we know the sheets get changed on Saturday and we aren't like, when was the last time we changed the sheets? Was it a couple weeks ago, or did I just do it? It's great to just have a habit of doing it on Saturday morning. I find that I am way more productive if I get ready every day. So I just finished doing my hair and getting ready. I've been using Function of Beauty shampoo and conditioner on my hair, and I want to thank Function of Beauty for sponsoring this video. I have purchased Function of Beauty several times on my own, so I'm really happy to partner with them. I am a very happy customer. What is great about Function of Beauty is that they customize a formula for your unique hair. Hair care is never one size fits all. Function of Beauty is also paraben, sulfate, GMO, and toxin free, and it's 100% vegan and cruelty free. You simply fill out a 2-minute quiz with your hair type, your hair goals, and personalized preferences. Then you choose a color and fragrance. You can choose dye and fragrance free if you prefer. I love the pear scent. It's my favorite. I've ordered that scent a couple of times, and I usually get the medium strength, and it smells so good. You can use my link, which is in the description box below, to order your Function of Beauty set, and it will come with your name on it, which is really cool. They do have a leave-in treatment, hair mask, and hair serum. I have the hair mask, as you can see here. It's great. I use it once a week. So with the shampoo, the conditioner, and the hair mask, my hair is nice and shiny. It's replenished. My color is protected. Those were some of my main goals. So I'm really happy to tell you about Function of Beauty, and again, the link will be in the description box below if you would like to try it out with 20% off. Also on Saturday, I like to do my beauty maintenance routine, as I like to call it. I've talked about this in past videos, but I always paint my nails on Saturday. Now, if we do have something going on Saturday, I will do it on a Friday night. But I like to maintain my nails. I also will give myself a pedicure, so I'll soak my feet and push back my cuticles and paint my toenails. And I will also whiten my teeth. I use sunless tanner. If I want to do a face mask or an eye mask, I will do that. Oftentimes I will exfoliate my skin. So just a day to maintain things that I like to keep up with, and it's very nice and enjoyable, and it's also very nice because I show my hands a lot in videos, so it's important to keep my nails looking nice, but I like them looking nice anyway. Saturday is also the day that I tend to my houseplants, and if you're new to my channel, I love houseplants. I have close to 40. I haven't counted in a while, but I do need to take care of them, which is actually very enjoyable for me. But like everything, I like to have a certain day to do things so that it doesn't feel overwhelming, and I know that I'm going to get to everything. So I will go around and water my plants on Saturday. If I want to fertilize them or feed them, I will do that. If I need to repot a plant, I will also do that. That is only a few times a year usually, but I will take the time to do that on a Saturday most often. And this is just enjoyable, but like I have mentioned lots of times, the more you keep up with a habit, the less time it will take, and you really just get used to doing it. So on Saturday, I get up, I know I'm going to change the sheets that day. I know it's the day that I'm going to paint my nails. I know it's the day that I'm going to take care of my plant, and it really doesn't take that long. One other thing that I do on Saturday is prepare a meal for Sunday. So on Sundays we go to church and come home and have a big meal. So we have dinner at lunchtime. And I have found it so much easier if I prepare it on Saturday for the most part. And also we don't go out to eat. We're always so hungry after church. And if I have something in the slow cooker waiting for us, that is great. So I am making a slow cooker meal right now. I'm making chicken cacciatore, which is delicious. I do have a recipe video on this that I recorded years and years ago, but I'll link it if you want the recipe. Sometimes I will make a lasagna and just put it all together and then pop it in the oven when we get home from church. I will make mostaccioli sometimes, or Mexican lasagna. In the summer, a lot of times I will marinate meat and we will grill it on the grill with some grilled potatoes or some vegetables or just some easy side dishes that I can make ahead of time. And I find that this really helps because, like I said, we're hungry, and that way I don't have to come home and try to make a full meal right after church. On Saturday evening, I like to pick out my clothes for church. If I need to steam something or iron something, I will do that. It's freezing here, so I have a sweater and some pants, and I just got the sweater. I shared it on Instagram. I like to select my accessories, shoes, everything, so it makes getting dressed in the morning really easy. On Sunday, I just need to put the crock in the crock pot on Sunday morning, and then when we get home, dinner is ready for us, which is so nice. So I just do a few things on Sunday to prepare for the week. We usually change into more comfortable clothes. I like to plan my week, but I keep it very simple. I just use a lined piece of paper. I have a section for life, and that's things like make appointment for the doctor, the dentist, run these errands, etc. I have a section for home, so if there's something we need to get to, it goes on my weekly to-do list if it's something we're going to do that week. And then work, I just write down different things that I need to plan or do for work. And I will also write in a day next to each task so I know what I am doing. And then when I write my to-do list, I can just look over this and see, okay, on Tuesday I need to do this or that. I also plan out my menu. I use the note section on my phone, and Make Your Owney is something, I think John's aunt actually made that up, but it's like it sounds. Make your own meal. My boys are 19 and 21, so they're fully capable. But on Wednesdays, we usually just have leftovers or something because we have church on Wednesday night, and we don't live very close to our church, and there's traffic at the time that we need to leave, so it just makes it so much easier. I also order groceries. I order them from Kroger, and this makes it so easy. So I just order them on Sunday and have it scheduled for pickup on Monday. And this is life-changing. I love picking up my groceries. I feel like I talk about it all the time on Instagram, but it's so convenient. So I will do all of that. Also, if I am planning to run any errands on Monday, I will just make a list of different things that I need to get to, because Monday is my errand day. So these are just a few things that I do to prepare for the week. It doesn't take the whole weekend, and I do plenty of relaxing. My boys do their laundry on Sunday, and I usually just do one load a week, Monday through Friday, so we're all caught up and ready for the week ahead. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. You may want to watch my daily routine to see what I do Monday through Friday, and I just did that video, so I will link that. I hope you all have a wonderful day.